Welcome to this Allinea tutorial video. The objective of this video is to help you start the Allinea license server. Note that if you are using an Allinea cluster, Allinea workstation, or a trial license of Allinea, you do not need the Allinea license server. You simply need to copy the license file that has been sent to you inside the license folder of your installation directory. The rest of this video does not apply to you. If you are using an Allinea supercomputing license, please keep watching. An Allinea supercomputing license is a floating license and relies on a set of two files. The first file in your Allinea floating license is named license. As a system administrator, you will need to edit this file accordingly. In particular, please make sure the hostname field is correct. The hostname field should contain the machine name or IP address where the license server will be running. This machine has to be accessible through the network using the port specified in this license. The second file is named license number. This number is the serial number of your license. If you look at this file, you will see the number of processes in your license, what products are enabled, the license expiry date, the support expiry date, etc. Do not modify this license file, otherwise it will become unusable. This license number file is what we call the server license file. If the port number specified in the license number and in the license files is not appropriate in your environment, please contact Allinea to get it changed. First of all, install Allinea Forge or Allinea Performance Reports on your cluster. Connect to your supercomputer and go to our webpage www.allinea.com/products/downloads and download the appropriate build at the top of the download list. Proceed with the installation on a file system that is visible for all the compute nodes. Once the tools are installed on the cluster, copy the client license file in the license directory, typically /opt/Allinea/Forge/licenses. Note that if you have several Allinea supercomputing floating licenses, you will need a client license file per supercomputing license. In this case, feel free to rename the license file to license.serial.client. Now connect to the server on which you plan to run the Allinea license server. Go to our webpage www.allinea.com/products/downloads and download our license server. The builds for the Allinea license server are located at the bottom of the page. Install the appropriate build for the system. When the license server is installed, please go to the installation directory where you will find a license directory. For instance, /opt/Allinea/license server/licenses. This folder does not need to be visible for the compute nodes. In this folder, you will need to copy the license server file. Go to the bin directory of the installation folder where you will see two different scripts. The first script is called license server. This is the daemon that needs to be started in order to launch the license server. You can do so by typing /license server and. When started, the license server will automatically find the licenses available. To verify that the server is running, you can go to the web page that is highlighted in the outputs of the license server. For instance, http://license server hostname :/status.html. If for some reason you reboot the server, the Allinea license server will be stopped and will need to be manually restarted. In order to avoid this, our builds come with a second script called Allinea_licenses_init. This script can be used on multiple operating systems and can be added as a server to the installation daemons, also known as init.d. For instance, on Red Hat, if you go to /opt/etc/init.d, you will see a list of scripts. You can add a symbolic link to the Allinea_licensing_init script there and add this service to your system. For more information, you can revisit the License Server User Guide on our website in the support menu. The Running the Server section will provide you with instructions on how to do this on your system. If you edit this Allinea_licensing_init script, check that the Allinea_tools_path variable points to the location of your license server on your system. Check that the Allinea_license_user variable specifies the user that will start the license server. You can also use the Allinea_log_level variable to specify the verbosity of the server log files that will be saved in the location specified by Allinea_license_log file variable. Please make sure that this information is correct before starting the license server. When this is done, you can start the Allinea_licensing_init script as root. Different options are available when launching the servers. Allinea_licensing_init start, stop, restart or status to check if the server is already running. If you have any problems using the Allinea license server, feel free to contact support@allinea.com. Thank you for watching this video.